Welcome to Lul Auto Garage, your go-to destination for all things engine performance. Whether you're a gearhead, a DIY enthusiast, or simply looking to boost your ride's power, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore expert tips, step-by-step tutorials, and insider tricks to unlock the full potential of your engine. Subscribe now and let's rev up your journey together. 9 ways to improve car engine performance. Bad ignition coil. The topic of ignition coils really gets us fired up. As a crucial component of your vehicle's ignition system, their health is directly linked to the performance of your spark plugs and, therefore, your engine. In fact, without properly functioning ignition coils, your engine may not run well or start at all. A bad coil in a vehicle's ignition system can have several effects on engine performance. The ignition coil is responsible for converting the low voltage from the battery into the high voltage needed to create a spark in the spark plugs. If a coil is faulty, it can lead to misfiring, rough idling, a decrease in power and acceleration, poor fuel economy, and even stalling. Additionally, it can cause the check engine light to come on. It's important to address ignition coil issues promptly to maintain optimal engine performance. Bad spark plug. The spark plugs are important components of an engine that produce electric sparks to ignite the fuel-air mixture in the engine cylinders for producing energy. They constitute a major part of the ignition system and keep the engine running by constantly igniting the fuel-air mixture. Spark plugs have a limited lifespan, exceeding which it becomes malfunctioned. In some cases, the spark plugs of a car will fail even within its intended life cycle. A bad spark plug can have several effects on a car engine's performance. It can cause misfiring, which leads to a rough idle, poor acceleration, and decreased fuel efficiency. Additionally, a bad spark plug can result in difficulty starting the engine, and in some cases, it may cause the engine to emit more pollutants. It's important to address spark plug issues promptly to maintain the optimal performance of the engine. Bad fuel injectors. A fuel injector is a crucial component of your vehicle's fuel delivery system. It sprays atomized fuel into the engine's cylinders so that it can mix with air and ignite to power your car. Over time, fuel injectors can become clogged or fail, causing drivability issues and poor engine performance. Fuel injectors spray fuel into a car's engine using electronic-controlled valves, capable of opening and closing many times a second. They have an atomizing nozzle that distributes the petrol or diesel evenly, for optimum combustion and efficiency. Bad fuel injectors can reduce engine power. Misfires, poor fuel atomization and inefficient fuel burn all reduce the engine's output. Injectors were introduced as a replacement for the old carburetor system, since they let engines run with greater fuel efficiency and help to reduce emissions. Dirty air filter. An engine air filter is responsible for protecting your engine from contaminants that could harm vehicle parts and components. The engine air filter accomplishes this by stopping dirt, debris, and other contaminants while allowing a free flow of oxygen into the engine. When an engine air filter does its job properly, your engine is able to get the oxygen and fuel mix it needs while keeping contaminants out. Robs your engine of power. Because your engine is not getting enough oxygen, its air-fuel mix will not be properly balanced. That can lead to a decrease in overall power. Imagine for a moment that your engine has a maximum horsepower rating of 200. With a dirty air filter, you may only be able to get about 150 horsepower from your engine. A dirty engine air filter will block the amount of oxygen coming into your vehicle's engine. That will reduce engine efficiency and rob you of the max power that you can get from your vehicle. It is a good idea to have your vehicle's engine air filter changed every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. However, you may want to have your engine air filter checked each time you have your vehicle's oil change. That's because certain driving behaviors can cause your vehicle's engine air filter to get dirtier at a faster rate. For example, if you like to do lots of off-road driving, then your engine air filter will likely get dirtier faster. Oil control valves are an essential part in an internal combustion engine with variable valve technology, VVT. There are different VVT designs depending on the engine's make and model. All VVT systems which are controlled by oil pressure have at least one oil control valve. Oil control valves are fed by the engine's pressurized oil, which allows or blocks the oil flowing through them to affect the timing of the camshaft. VVT cams have a control mechanism that change the cam position in relation to the timing chain or timing belt depending on how the oil flow passes through the VVT. The ECU, oil control valve, and the cam's control mechanism work together to make the valves open and close earlier or later. This helps the engine to optimize its power output and fuel consumption. Oil control valves also help to lubricate timing chains and their sprockets. Poor engine acceleration and performance. Depending on the camshaft's phase, the engine will generate more power or conserve fuel. If your vehicle's VVT oil control valve fails, the engine won't be able to produce enough power to ensure proper acceleration and power output. A faulty VVT oil control valve can cause a huge performance drop if it is unable to advance the camshaft timing during acceleration. Bad MAS sensor. The mass airflow sensor (MAF) is a critical component of a car's engine management system. Its primary function is to measure the amount of air entering the engine, allowing the engine control module (ECM) to calculate the appropriate amount of fuel needed for efficient combustion. The MAF sensor is typically located in the air intake system, close to the air filter. It measures the mass or weight of the air entering the engine. As the mass airflow sensor measures air levels, it sends this data to your car's electronic control unit, ECU. The ECU makes changes to fuel injection, allowing for a correct air/fuel ratio within the engine's combustion chamber. The result is improved engine performance and fuel economy. A bad mass airflow sensor will affect your engine's ability to operate correctly. You may experience a significant reduction in acceleration, or the car may struggle under heavy loads or to idle properly. Your engine performance problems will not stop at acceleration lag and rough idling. You may also find your high-performance engine hiccuping and sputtering when you're driving fast. The engine can also search if the MAF sensor has caused the ECM to think that the combustion chamber needs extra fuel. Bad throttle body. If a throttle body fails to work properly, it results in making the mixture richer or leaner than required. A non-stoichiometric air-fuel mixture means that the car is either burning more fuel than required or less than that is needed for a perfect combustion stage. And, if a situation like this arises, the response from the accelerator pedal will not be ideal. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine, which in turn affects the fuel delivery and overall engine performance. If the throttle body is dirty, malfunctioning, or failing, it can disrupt the air-fuel mixture and lead to power loss and poor acceleration. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the throttle body can help prevent such issues. If you suspect a problem with your throttle body, it's best to have it inspected and repaired by a qualified mechanic. Clogged fuel filter, reduced engine performance. One of the earliest signs of a clogged fuel filter is a noticeable decrease in engine performance. The engine may struggle to accelerate smoothly or exhibit a loss of power during acceleration. For better performance from your car's engine, there should be clean fuel in the engine. To do so, there is a fuel filter placed in the engine's fuel system that helps ensure the delivery of clean fuel to the engine. After a few thousand kilometers run, however, the fuel filter can become clogged with dirt, debris, or contaminants, affecting its functionality. A fuel filter is a small device located between the fuel tank and the engine in a vehicle. Its main function is to remove impurities, such as dirt, rust, and debris, from the fuel before it reaches the engine. By preventing these contaminants from entering the engine, the fuel filter helps maintain optimal performance and protects sensitive fuel system components. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the fuel filter are always the right things to ensure optimal performance and longevity of a vehicle's fuel system. By understanding the symptoms, causes, and consequences of a clogged fuel filter, car owners can take timely action to replace the filter when necessary. Remember to follow the manufacturer's recommendations regarding filter replacement intervals and always use high-quality fuel to minimize the risk of clogging. Bad fuel pump. A failing or failed fuel pump will cause major performance and drivability issues with your vehicle. If your fuel-to-air ratio is off and the cylinders aren't getting enough fuel, then the pistons aren't firing and your engine is struggling to move the vehicle forward. Another engine performance issue is surging or hesitation. In the case of surging, the fuel pump is pushing too much diesel fuel or gasoline into the combustion chamber, and this will cause your vehicle to pick up speed in spurts. If the fuel pump is not sending enough accelerant into the combustion chamber, your engine will hesitate. If you notice your vehicle loses power when you drive up steep inclines or load it up with cargo, your fuel pump could be the culprit. As with faster speeds, the engine requires more gasoline to operate under stress. You'll lose power if the pump isn't working properly.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos about auto repair.